on the floor of a bell tower that has the shape of a Japanese pagoda. From this bell, which is English, 1876, and that big bell over there, which is Korean, of who knows what age. These various bells, there are 12 of them. They give a variety of understanding about symbols and about the use of the bells. The smaller ones are used for railroad engineers, for people who worked in the fields, and for general worship services. In front of you are 3 Korean bells, ranging in weight from 37 pounds to 350 pounds, used for bringing people in from the fields, temple worship, and just general personal satisfaction. These are old bells from a place where these bells would have been used in a type of worship setting. Out of the past, which not too many people think about, are a series of bells. These bells would bring a person's attention to meditation about oneself, about linking oneself with the past, through sound, through shape. The pagoda shape, the bell shape, 2 different shapes of bells. This would have something of special significance to Koreans as well as historic buffs of the American bells, used to draw in families, to give a signal of oncoming danger to families. So what you have here is just a multitude of different approaches.
Stars shine bright every day and night. Stars shine bright for you. The moon still glows. Everybody knows. The moon still glows for you.
In the woods of
For you. Stars shine bright every day and night. Stars shine bright for you. The moon still glows. Everybody